Yeah, morning everyone. So what we've got here is unboxing of, it's called an Elegent Life Baking Fun Chef Machine, and doesn't this look lovely? It arrives obviously in this really nice box, and let's see what we get. Okay, right, instruction manual. Nice bit of polystyrene to keep it protected. That's what I like to see. This is one big, oh my god, this is one heavy machine. Right, so you've got this. This is a splash guard for the mixer when you're actually using it. I know that. And I love the smell of fresh products. Right, okay. Let's get this out. Right. That's the clank of the heavy box. So this is the actual machine. This looks really lovely. Wow. It's exciting, this. Well, straight away I've noticed it's got suction, so that's good. So when you put it down, it's not going to move all over the place when it's switched on. Right, okay. Just let's have a look. Yes, that does look nice. Oh yes. Right, so obviously you've got your controls. That's that. You've got your attachments. Right, let's take the cardboard out the way. Right, it's got a nice big whisk. Look at the size of that. That's nice. That's for doing the dough. Again, nicely constructed. And then what else have we got? Got another whisk. They all look nice quality. Alright, so that's great. And then you've got obviously your plug. Now, how long is the plug? That's always a good question. Right, let's undo this thing. Okay, that's not a bad length. Right, obviously it normally will go somewhere on the worktop. Let's do this, trying to show it to you. The suction is very, very strong. I'll say that. That's, wow. Cool. Right, so let's move this little bad boy down. Get it to some power. Right. We'll move the table, it's easier. Right, so I've got it plugged in now. Let's have a look. Okay, right, that's better. Right, so the lead's not a bad length lead. And, right, so, right, okay, that's it. So when you want to release and lift it, this is the button. And then obviously once it's in place, it will light up like a lovely blue. Right, so let's put this up. So you've got some instructions here: bread, cake, and eggs. Right, I've got nothing in here, sadly, because it's early in the morning, but let's just have a look. So that just goes in nicely like that. Let's have a look at the bowl. So the bowl's nice and deep, nice and shiny. It won't be by the time I finish cooking. And it locks in. It doesn't just sit down, it actually locks in. So that's it. Right, so you've got to make sure the bowl's locked. And then obviously you put that down and press that. Right, what is anything else that I need to know about? No, that's it. Right, and then to switch her on, right, so that's got 9 speeds. Was it powerful? I'm not Master Chef. I think this is quite powerful. So yeah, I mean, I think that is really quite powerful. Wow, I'm impressed. And then like, if I was going to do something else, look how quick that came off. Wow, that is good, isn't it? And then just get the next one, and then just straight away, like so. Make sure obviously the attachment's always on properly, really important. And then again, press it down, and let's see what we get from this one. then, right. So you've got a boost. So if you turn it to the left, it will boost it. Well, I'll tell you something, that is really one lovely, lovely mixer. I've just got back into sort of baking cakes and bits and pieces, and I just wanted something that was not complicated, looks nice, and I can't, to be honest, fault it. I mean, it's really lovely. And then, like I did state to you guys, you've got this, and this is a guard. So what would happen with this is, right, so that will sit, which way does it go? So that will sit like so. No, it doesn't go like so. It will go probably that way. That's it. Right, that's it. So, yeah, okay, so let's have a look, see how that goes. Or does it? No, hold on, I think I'm getting this wrong. Right. Does it fit? That's the thing anyway. But that's the guard, right? In the instructions, it will tell you. Let's have a look what it says. Right. So it sits. So the guard actually will sit up here on the machine. So my mistake, right? So the way the guard goes, right, it will sit round like that. So when you push this down, that's it, and you've got the side pocket. So the side pocket there is to push ingredients in. Right, so you've got the guard, so you're not going to get everything splashed and dirty. It's just really nice. But I think it's lovely the way it's made. These bits and pieces that look like you want to open them up, and they're not designed to be open. They're just looking there for beauty, shall we say. But so you've got the balloon whisk, like I said. You've also got the beater, and you've got a kneading hook. It's good. I think you can't complain. I think for the money, it's really good value. Nice and solid though, and also I like these suctions. It just does not want to move. Anyway, guys, I'm going to love and leave you. I'm going to put the link to get this on Amazon if you so wish. Do I recommend it? I think I do, because this is really lovely. When you actually see it close up like I am, you can't fault it. And for anyone that's a baker, you know, home cook, into making cakes and nice, lovely products, I think this is definitely a great quality product to have in your kitchen. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like it, give us a like and a subscribe. Okay, bye.